Hi, I'm Craig Jones, Executive Director of the National Organization for the Reform of Marijuana Laws in Canada. Like millions of other Canadians, I want to put Stephen Harper out of a job and end the criminalization of cannabis possession and use. Normal Canada is working to legalize cannabis so that you, whether you're a medical or recreational user, a consumer or grower, a purchaser or a vendor, will not go to jail, receive a criminal record, or have your property forfeited. If you want to make history with us, hit that donate button now. A donation from you is a donation to end cannabis criminalization this year. Every dollar we raise goes toward defeating Mr. Harper and his dinosaur government. We're fundraising to do public education, voter mobilization, and to bring pressure to bear on those elected this October 19th. We're crowdfunding to put Stephen Harper out of a job. He's committed to criminalizing many more thousands of Canadians for cannabis possession and use, nonviolent, law-abiding, tax-paying citizens like you. We're a national organization with representatives in every major city, and we're always looking for capable people of vision to help us end cannabis criminalization. If you're looking to contribute, make a donation and follow the links to our membership page. Share this message with your friends and family. Working together, we can put Stephen Harper out of a job and end the criminalization of cannabis users. Make a donation. Get on the bus of history to a future where cannabis users are no longer criminalized, where people can relax with their drug of choice or medicate themselves with a drug that has never killed anyone. Share this with your friends, and thanks for your time.